Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet like pizza, only way. Start by whisking 3 large eggs with a splash of milk and a pinch of salt until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan on medium and add butter or oil. Pour eggs and tilt pan for an even base. Add pizza sauce, shredded cheese, and your favorite toppings. Fold gently and finish under a lid until cheese melts for a pizza-style omelet. In this video, I will show how to make omelet like pizza, only way. Keep heat moderate so the eggs set without burning while cheese melts. Pre-grate cheese and pre-cook watery toppings like mushrooms or peppers to reduce moisture. Use a lid for a minute to trap heat and finish melting. Slide the omelet onto a plate, add fresh basil or chili flakes, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They keep toppings fresh and prevent spills when transporting your omelet pizza. They nest neatly to save space and seal tightly for fridge or travel. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if you meal prep often. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make omelet like pizza, only way. Swap toppings to create endless variations: pepperoni and mozzarella for classic taste, or spinach and feta for brightness. For richer flavor, try a swirl of pesto or Alfredo in place of tomato sauce. Consider a thin layer of cooked potatoes or thinly sliced zucchini for extra body. Finish with fresh herbs and a grind of black pepper before serving hot.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.